In separate tutorials, a first round of telephone interviews were scheduled, conducted, written up and reviewed. The telephone interviews were conducted by a single administrator, Rose Martin. This tutorial will demonstrate how to invite successful candidates from a first round of telephone interviews to a second round of in-person interviews, involving multiple interviewers. From the dashboard, click on the interview rounds icon. With interview rounds selected, add new. Set the interview type to in-person. Continue. Enter a description for the interview round. The location will be picked up from the campaign settings and can be changed if necessary. Set the planned length for each interview and the interval between interviews. Check the interviewee's instructions and, if necessary, change. Add any internal notes if required. Check the time zone. Check the organizer. Optionally, set the interview guide and the script. Select the assessment. Click on Save. OK. Click on the second interview rounds wizard. Add candidates. Check the candidates that are invited for interview. Add selected. OK. Note that 3 interviewees have been added. Click on Continue. Click on Interviewers. Edit. Select the interview role for each interviewer. Indicate the attendance requirements. Save. OK. Click on Prepare Time Slots. Add time slots. Select a date. Select a start time. Select an end time. Confirm or change the interview duration and interval. Click on Create Time Slots. OK. Note, 8 time slots have been created. As we now have sufficient time slots, click on End. OK. If the person creating the time slots has been assigned an interview role, then their attendance will default to being available and required. If necessary, click on Edit to change. If the availability of the other interviewers is known, then Edit can be used to confirm their availability on their behalf. If, on the other hand, the other interviewer's availability is not known, click on Availability. Check the other interviewers. Click on Send Request. OK. 2 availability requests have been sent. The status dot will be colored blue to indicate that an availability request has been sent. The lead interviewer, Katie Ashton, will receive an email with a link. Katie will click on the link, log in, and be directed to the task. To confirm her availability, click on Edit. Enter any comments. Indicate her availability. Save. OK. Submit. OK. The joint interviewer, Susie Chang, will also receive an email with a link. Susie will log in and confirm her availability. Save. OK. Submit. OK. When the interviewers have confirmed their availability, the administrator, Rose Martin, will see the status dot change to green when she refreshes the display, and be able to view the details by clicking on Check Time Slots. In our example, the interviewers are not all available for all the time slots. The metric at the bottom will confirm if the interviewer availability is sufficient to invite all the candidates. In this case it is showing that 3 time slots are required, and there are 2 extra time slots where all the interviewers are available. The color is set to green to indicate that there are sufficient time slots. If the availability was insufficient, more time slots could be created, not all the candidates invited, or some interviews could be conducted without all the interviewers in attendance. Click on Invitations. Select the candidates. Click on Send Invitation. OK. Confirmation that 3 invitations have been sent. Continue. Exit the interview wizard. Click on the interview planner icon. Our example shows that there are 3 invited candidates and 3 interviewers. At the moment none of the available time slots have been allocated to any of the candidates. The candidate Natasha Kaminsky will receive an email with a link. She will click on the link. Log in. Click on the clock icon. Click on Select. Select one of the 5 available time slots. Click on Confirm Attendance. OK. Natasha is able to chat to the recruiter, change or cancel the interview. Exit. The status dot will be colored green to indicate that the invitation has been confirmed. An email confirmation will also be sent to Natasha and each interviewer. The email will include an ICS calendar file attachment. The candidate, Maha Reuter, will also receive an email with a link. After she has logged in, she will be able to select one of the 4 remaining interview slots. Finally, the candidate, Emma Spelling, will receive an email with a link. She will click on the link, log in and select one of the 3 remaining time slots. The administrator, Rose Martin, can re-display the interview planner or click on the reload icon. She is able to see that all the invited candidates now have assigned interview slots. The metric at the bottom indicates that all the candidates have been allocated time slots. Click on Exit. The dashboard will show the scheduled interviews.